अगर एक लाइन में कहूँ, सपने वर्सेस सीजन 2 इज नॉट जस्ट अ शो बट इट्स एन एक्सपीरियंस। इसने ना ही सिर्फ सीजन 1 को क्रॉस किया, इसने स्टैंडर्ड्स ही बदल दिए। एंड द ब्यूटी लाइज इन द स्टोरी टेलिंग, फॉर विच अम्बरीश वर्मा एज द राइटर, डायरेक्टर एंड एक्टर ऑफ द शो हैज प्रूव्ड अगेन व्हाट ट्रू क्राफ्ट लुक्स लाइक। He could have easily taken the spotlight, but उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं करा. In fact, he balanced two completely contrasting stories so brilliantly and beautifully that each story has its own impact and is equally powerful. In fact, the entire cast of Sapne versus everyone is so tight and so good at their craft that extremely difficult to pick your favorite. एक तरफ अगर जिमी मेहता का कैरेक्टर आपके अंदर के छुपे हुए एंगर को, रिवेंज को और बस अब बहुत हो गया वाली फीलिंग को सरफेस पे लेकर आ जाता है, तो दूसरी तरफ प्रशांत नरूला का कैरेक्टर आपको ये सिखाता है हाउ फार योर पेशेंस, वैल्यूज एंड ऑनेस्टी कैन टेक यू इन लाइफ. द कैरेक्टर ऑफ मामा कुकरेजा, which has been played by Vijayant Kohli sir, he has outperformed as he makes us hate Kukreja to a level. You just feel like that you can break into the show and punch this person. This is the level of great acting he has done. Instigate that anger in all of us as an audience. And he's such a sweet person while binge watching the entire show. I happened to upload a story from year 2024, 3rd April, where I first watched Sapne versus Everyone season 1 on YouTube. All of my favorite dialogues. And he did not only like it, but when I saw that he liked my story, I happened to text him. I texted him that I really loved your acting, sir. It makes me hate that character so much. And he replied to me saying thank you though. So he's that kind of a sweet person. And still, that made me feel like kind of work he must have done, even output of Kukreja out of him. So it's just great. It's just great. In fact, हर एक कैरेक्टर आपके दिल में एक अलग इमोशन को जगाता है. When it comes to Jimmy Mehta's father, which has been played by Babla Kochhar sir, you feel so empathetic and towards him and what kind of helplessness he goes through. Then coming to Kukreja, makes you angry. Coming to Jimmy, he instigates the emotion of saturation point, that now you are not going to take any more shit of the world. Then comes to Prashant's character, which instigates that no matter what happens in your life, you have to stay true to your values. So it is just a roller coaster of emotion, I must say, and it's a show that it's not to be missed. Season 1 is available for free on YouTube, which will definitely make you go to Prime to watch season 2. And as an audience, it's my humble request from all of you. It's already nailing at 9.2 on IMDb. If you really like the show, you just go and post a review there, because that's what's the payback that we can give to this मास्टर क्लास ऑफ आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट एंड एक्ट. टीवीएफ ने एक बार फिर प्रूव कर दिया कि कंटेंट सिर्फ बनाया नहीं जाता, उसको जिया जाता है. ये सिर्फ एक एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं है. आई वुड से दैट इट्स जस्ट एन एक्टिंग वर्कशॉप. एवरी बडिंग एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस शुड जस्ट वॉच एंड फील. जो इंटेंसिटी, ऑनेस्टी एंड इमोशंस यहाँ देखने को मिलते हैं, दैट्स व्हाट्स द ट्रू लर्निंग इज. एंड एनी टीवीएफ शो इज इनकम्प्लीट विदाउट हैविंग नवीन इन इट. एंड ही ऑलवेज, बी इट स्मॉल, बिग, whatever part that he plays in, it's on point and extremely significant to the entire show. It always has a higher and greater purpose. So yes, TV, I have been a big time TVF fan forever, and I'm always going to be. It just doesn't give you shows, but it also gives you experiences which just play guitar with your heartstrings. I hope you watch it and come back to this video and post your reviews, comments over here, and also please do make an IMDb rating after this. Just remember, this show is not to be missed.